There's a word I know and it starts with K. That word is kindness, hear me when I say K is for kindness, a simple word, it's true. But it's amazing what a word can do. Amazing what a word can do. When you help someone in need, that's kindness. When you plant a little seed, that's kindness. When you give a fella a hug, that's kindness.
Gently hold a ladybug,
that's kindness too. And when you try a little kindness, and help someone for free.
Good morning, Gadsden Bulldogs. Today is a great day to be a bulldog. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and remain standing for the Star-Spangled Banner. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. Please welcome our principal, Dr. Evans, with some very important announcements.
Welcome back, boys and girls. Happy Tuesday. Boys and girls, I'm not going to prolong the time today, but I do want to remind you to get your 45 minutes of iReady reading and your 45 minutes of iReady math completed. If you are in kindergarten, first, second, or third grade, you also need to be doing 20 minutes of a mirror each day. Don't forget, iReady, 45 minutes reading, 45 minutes math, and per week, and a mirror 20 minutes per day. You should also be practicing your math facts, addition, subtraction, multiplication facts, about 5-10 minutes a day after school, and you should be reading books at least 20 minutes every day after school. Boys and girls, on Friday, we're going to have science kits for you to come and pick up. You can either pick up on Thursday or you can pick up on Friday. Anytime from 11 to 12:30, you can come pick up your science kits, or you can come pick them up after school from 3 to 4 o'clock on Thursday or Friday. We're going to have a big STEM kickoff on Monday, and you're going to need your little science kits, your baggies that we have created for you in order to participate in our STEM celebration kickoff. We're going to get STEM certified at Gadsden Elementary School. That's right, and we're going to kick off our implementation of the process with a big fun day on Monday. That day's going to be Monday. So come on Friday and pick up your kits, your little science baggies, so that you have them at home and you are able to participate with us on Monday. Boys and girls, I hope that you continue to wear your mask. I hope that you have been social distancing and you've been using lots of hand sanitizer. At this time, we are going to say the Bulldog chant together. Are you ready? Let's go. We are Bulldogs. We are brilliant. We are unique, lifelong learners, determined to be outstanding, generous, and successful. We are Bulldogs. Make it a great day, and I love you all.